Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're setting sail on an incredible journey through time. Have you ever wondered what the oldest ship in the world is? A vessel so ancient that it holds secrets of civilizations long past? A true marvel of history preserved against the odds? In this video, we'll uncover the story behind this legendary ship, explore its origins, and discover how it has survived the test of time. So grab your compass and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of maritime history. The Star of India is a term that carries historical, cultural, and natural significance, referring to various notable entities. Among them is a historic sailing ship, an exquisite clematis plant variety, a historical cannery location in California, and a celebrated gemstone. Each of these carries its unique story, contributing to the rich tapestry of the name Star of India. The historic sailing ship Star of India is an iron-hulled vessel constructed in 1863, originally named Uttarp. Built in Ramsey on the Isle of Man, the ship initially served routes connecting Great Britain, India, and New Zealand. Over time, it was re-rigged as a bark and took on a new role hauling salmon between Alaska and California. The ship was retired in 1926, but it found new life when it was restored in the early 1960s. Today, the Star of India is part of the Maritime Museum of San Diego, where it operates as a seaworthy museum ship. It holds the distinction of being the world's oldest active sailing ship and the oldest iron-hulled merchant ship still afloat, making it a fascinating relic of maritime history. The name Star of India also identifies a beautiful clematis plant variety known for its multi-stemmed, deciduous, woody vine that produces striking star-shaped flowers. These blooms feature a rich plum-purple hue with red overtones and vibrant yellow anthers, making it a standout addition to any garden. In historical context, the Star of India also refers to a cannery location in California, a notable site for its role in the salmon canning industry. This industry heavily depended on labor provided by foreign workers, particularly individuals of Chinese, Japanese, and Filipino descent. The cannery highlights a significant period in the history of labor and industry along the West Coast. Another remarkable Star of India is the 563.35 carat star sapphire, celebrated as one of the largest and most stunning of its kind. This nearly flawless gemstone, mined in Sri Lanka, is distinguished by its unique star-like pattern, known as asterism, visible on both sides, an exceptional rarity in star sapphires. The gem was acquired by mineralogist George Kunz for financier J.P. Morgan's collection, and was later donated to the American Museum of Natural History in New York City, where it remains on display today. Its dazzling beauty and historical importance make it a treasure in gemological history.